good morning to all of you. Myself Dinesh Kumar from RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Karnal. Today I am going to discuss about guest supplies. Guest supplies, quality supplies, delivering quality guest experiences. If you are supply the best quality of product in your room, then definitely your guest will be satisfied from your services. For example, if you are providing the LED facility, mini bar facility, air conditioning facility, hot and cold water facility, all the facilities according to the standards of your property, then your guest experience will be best. Learning guest supplies. If we talk about introduction, it is the most important duty of the housekeeping staff to prepare the guest room and other places in the hotel so that guest is most comfortable. As per the hotel policy and the standards of the room, the list of these supplies may change. The housekeeping staff need to ensure that those supplies are kept in the appropriate number and condition while preparing the room for guest check-in. List of supplies for guest room. Furniture. It includes bed, bedside table, chair, wardrobe and locker facility, writing table, dressing table, center tables and magazine holder. And these are also shown in the picture. For example, bed and bedside table and wardrobe which is made by wooden, chair and writing table. Bedding. It includes mattress, bed sheets, bed cover, duvet cover, pillow and pillowcase. Bedside supplies. These include non-slip mat on the either side of the bed, bedside table supply. They involved a phone, device and printed complete list of important intercom number such as reception, restaurant and laundry of the hotel, and the housekeeping staff also provide a copy of Bible, Gita, Quran depending upon the prior knowledge of the guest religion orientation. So thank you to all of you. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt or query, please text me at dis@rpiit.com.